Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kinkdiva and I am fresh. Yeah, you can call me fresh. Okay, today I am not so certain about what I want to talk about, but I think I can share my experience with you guys. Like, when I remember it, it's so sad, but I can share it with you guys. No worries. Please, before I start, you guys should please subscribe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now. Please now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, subscribe and hit the bell button beside the subscribe button, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to know that the video is up on my channel. So let's get right into this video. I had a very awful experience. If you're in, if you're in Lagos and you stay in Lekki, you know that the rain hasn't been fair at all. There was this day, I think it was a week ago or 2 weeks ago, on a Saturday, that I was supposed to go to work. And normally before I go for work, I usually check the weather forecast, and I did. And it told me rain was going to fall in Lekki by 2 p.m. I was not like, okay, Oshay, let me carry on my umbrella now, so that if rain will fall down, it will not be too much. Like it will not wet me. I will just be confident. I will walk like a princess. To my greatest surprise, that day, on my way to Lekki, just before I got to my bus stop, let's say after toll gate, yeah, just before the bus stop, rain started drizzling. In my mind, I'm like, I didn't even think much of it, like, cause I carried an umbrella. The umbrella is big. The umbrella is like half of my height, So if you're holding that kind of umbrella when it's drizzling, you'll just be confident that the least is your leg will just get wet a little and you'll be fine. I came out of the bus. Oh my goodness, the rain was so bad. As in, it poured down on me. It poured out on me from my head to my toe. The umbrella did nothing. And on this particular day, I took my time. I styled my hair. I brushed up myself. I wore one of my lovely tops that I like a lot. It's this black top with some cute lines in front. I just like it a lot. I wore it, and I was just really happy that I really looked all nice. The rain just disappointed me. It just disappointed me. It started falling. It was increasing. It was like in less than 5 seconds or 10 seconds, it rained. I don't know. The amount of rain that she rained in like 1 hour fell in like 5 minutes. As in, I don't understand. There was so much flood everywhere. Even my umbrella was just fancy. It wasn't doing anything. As big as it was doing nothing. And I was just going through the rain and I was just getting wet. All the keke did not want to go. I had to go to my office. When I got to my office, everyone was like, did you take a shower in the rain? I was like, you guys, it's not funny out there. The rain is serious, well, I just managed to brush myself up a little. I was really cold. I caught a cold afterwards. This rainy season, it's not been easy. So if you guys have had experiences like this, you can always leave a comment in the comment section and get to share with me how your experience has been, because this one really got to me, and I mean, if you guys have had that experience, something close to that, and Lekki flood has almost carried you away, please leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification, hit the bell button below the subscribe button. And I mean, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.